Many of us have habits of keeping different pets at home. The dog is unique among those animals. So, having a pet dog is a protection for our home, especially for the little ones, and we all have a lot of fun from them. So, today in my video, I am going to show you some tips that will help you ensure that your children are safe with your pet dog. Having a dog as a family pet can really benefit children as well as helping to keep the whole family fit and active. Having a dog, children are very thoughtful and build wonderful relationship with them. If you build your pet dog correctly by giving better instruction as well as food, the benefits to you cannot be measured. This is because of the tremendous benefit of your physical and mental health. And always will give much security to your house or your place. You have heard this. A dog is man's best friend. You are more likely to hear these words at least once in your life. By far, most pet guardians will confirm that this remains constant. How do we determine if dogs are doing well with children? Maybe the best guide to prove this is to notice the relationship that dogs share with kids. However, you need to train your pet dog before it happens. And clearly, you should always instruct your children when puppies grow up to a certain age how to play with them. I will show you some basic way to help train your dog to play with children more safely. Start training your dog at an early age. Unlike humans, dogs grow very fast and it is important to train them well from an early age. It is easy to make a better train at a younger age and will give the dog good confidence. Understand your dog's feelings and respect them. Sometimes, due to some behavior of children, puppies may intimidate. So, give instruction to your children, do not do such a things. You must be careful not to happen or minimize those things among them. At the early age of dogs, allow the puppies to behave as he pleases. Then if there is a fear, go without that fear and stay with kids. Encourage good behavior. Encourage good behavior from your pet with attention, praise and hospitality. If you do this adequately, your dog and your child will begin to associate with good things. Once this happens, they naturally begin to behave well with the children. To get good behaviors, teach the dog a basic training command to come up, sit down and get up like simple commands. Act like a child. Take care of the puppy like your own baby. Take good care of the puppy from an early age in the same way you love your child. Feed on time. If your puppy becomes ill, see a doctor immediately and get the puppy the medication it needs. Develop eating habits and discipline. Make it a habit to feed only the right amount at the right time. Also train them to develop the habit of being patient when eating. Remember, do not give the dog the food we eat, like biscuits, buns, or anything we eat. Give the dog only the food he should be given. And do not let your pet eat from your child's plate. Be sure to keep dog toys away from children. Pet toys do not have the same safety standards, and so they can be dangerous to your kids. Make sure you stick to these things with maximum discipline. Develop good manners with visitors. Teach your dog from an early age how to respond when a visitor comes to the house. Then he would never immediately jump on the side of the guest or cause them any other trouble. Then, as your dog grows, it will recognize who the guest is, who the suspect is, or who the thief is. If your dog is used to these good habits from an early age, the dog will be accustomed to taking good care of your child as well. Take your pet to the park. Take your dog and children to a park or playground and let them play with each other under your secure observation. Observe the dog's behavior with children. Observe if there is a developing friendly relationship between the dog and the children. Do not leave your child alone with the dog. Never let your child play alone with the dog until you are well established that the friendship between the dog and the child has developed. So what I have pointed out in these simple basic tips is that if you train your dog from an early age, you can ensure that it is safe with children without any fear. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell button and select all to activate notifications to receive new my videos. And click the thumb up button if you like this video and share this video to watch your friends or others. I would like to hear your thoughts or ideas on this video. So write them all down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I wish you a good future with the happiness of your life.